Hi, Mark and
Brian.
again. Okay, hopefully you're not tired of this yet. So the third segment on this that we want to talk about comes from the hip. So we've talked about how the knee collapses, and it can be collapsing from your foot positioning. It can be collapsing from allowing your knee to come to the inside. Well, one of the causes, and the major cause, in my opinion, of what causes the knee to cave to the inside is if your glute muscles are not strong. Especially the two glute muscles that are on the side over here. Because if they're strong, they help stabilize your pelvis. They help keep your upper leg in a good position as opposed to letting it rotate in, which then takes the knee with it and collapses that knee inward. And to see this a lot of times now, especially because people sit so much. So what we're finding is that there's been different terms coined out there. One term that has been coined by a very famous back researcher is called gluteal amnesia. My term for it is atrophy, which is just the muscles get weak and you don't use them anymore because so many people are sitting. And when they sit all day long at their desk and all that, those muscles get turned off, they get compressed, and they become weak because nobody uses them. So especially the muscles on the side, it's important to strengthen them because they control your pelvis, which controls that upper leg bone, but it also can control your lower back also and what position it gets into. So not only can it affect the knee, but it can affect the back also. And that's just from having weak glutes. We like to say that the glute is the center of the body. Everything from the ground up goes through it. Everything from the top down goes through it. If those are strong, you've got a much better chance of keeping all the joints strong and healthy. So glute strengthening is a big must, especially in this day and age of computer jobs and desk jobs. If you have further questions, contact Mark or
Brian
at fitness4lifept.com.